today we got a very nice old toolbox that I'm going to convert. It says it's some kind of a Russian thing. It has the SSSR. So we start the rebuild process. First thing first, getting it tight. So this is how it looks. I've been thinking to leave only the outlines, but I think I'm gonna go with the filling process. Probably I'm gonna fill the letters on, see how it looks, because the other logo on the other side, the Gentleman Jack, I think to leave it plain just with the outlines, but this one I think to fill it up, just to make it a little bit different. See how it looks. Alright, so this is the Gentleman Jack logo that I've done so far. Hold on a second. Now, I've been thinking to fill the letters, but I think it's a more vintage look the way it is. But instead of that, I've done, let me flip this over. Oh my gosh. But instead, the Coffee Time logo, I have decided to fill it up and make it look a little bit more, stand out, let's say. So this is how it looks. Now, I'm gonna wood burn all that, with a strong fire, and then probably I'm gonna put a varnish on it just to give it a little bit shine. So hopefully it will get where I want it to be. So far, unfortunately yesterday the battery runs off. That's how it looks.